Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you, SociSmart. If you're looking to up your social media marketing game, this app claims to be a real game changer. We've been using it for a while now, and we're here to share our thoughts with you. So, what is SociSmart all about? It's an advanced, data-driven marketing tool designed to help businesses and individuals connect with their target audience more efficiently. Unlike traditional marketing methods, SociSmart leverages cutting-edge technologies to gather deep insights into potential customers' interests, behaviors, and demographics. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description. We've found that these insights really make a difference in creating personalized and engaging campaigns. And you know what that means: better conversion rates and increased brand loyalty. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or content creator, SociSmart has something to offer. The educational resources in SociSmart's Threads Academy are top-notch. From beginner to advanced level content, it's got you covered. And the best part? They combine these resources with practical tools to help you implement what you learn. We've also seen some great bonuses and discounts being offered with SociSmart. Be sure to check those out. It's a great way to enhance your experience even further. In conclusion, we've been really impressed with SociSmart and the impact it can have on your social media marketing strategy. With its data-driven approach and powerful tools, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to take your social media marketing to the next level, check out SociSmart in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description.